Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jonesboro, local and long-distance movers near me. There are different types of moves offered in Jonesboro, Arkansas. First, residential movers in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Private moves probably won't appear to be especially mind-boggling, considering that they are the most essential kind of move. However, any moving undertaking requires a great deal of skill and information. Private moves are called this way since they included evolving homes. That was likely self-evident. Changing homes incorporates nearby migrations, highway moves, and worldwide moves. Assuming that you are hoping to change your place of home, then at that point, you should track down an organization with a great deal of involvement to make things more straightforward for you. Like 3 Movers, we have long periods of involvement working with a wide range of moves. With regards to moving your effects, we are the group you really want. Second, office commercial movers in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Office moves are normal in urban communities with a great deal of organizations, yet that doesn't make observing a mover for your office any less convoluted. Office moves require a ton of artfulness, skill, and information on the most proficient method to deal with the various sorts of furniture and gear that should be moved. Any sort of harm to office hardware could bring about huge misfortunes and postponements to resuming your office. This is the kind of thing you need to stay away from, no matter what. The simplest method for staying away from this is by working with a mover that knows pretty much everything about the details associated with business moves, similar to 3 Movers does. Third, military movers in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Our tactical faculty are continually progressing for an assortment of reasons. It very well may be a direct result of a long-lasting or impermanent migration to another base. Assuming that you end up needing a tactical migration under any circumstance, you will have 2 choices: buy and buy obtained or government-secured moves. The first is a migration that you principally oversee yourself, with the additional advantage of having the option to get a rate or even every last bit of it repaid by finishing up the necessary desk work. The last option is a basic methodology that is finished completely through your tactical office. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.